Hi guys, it's your girl Shani, and today we're going to talk about 7 common errors that I see on the reformer, and I'm going to explain how to also fix the errors as well. Let's get started. Number 1, overusing the upper body instead of the core. People pull with their arms or shoulders instead of initiating movement from the abs or from the powerhouse. And how to fix that is telling people to lead from their center or drawing your ribs and your abs in first, then move. So inhaling, growing long through the spine, through the tailbone, and exhaling as you're lifting through your core, as you're lifting your head. Number 2, poor shoulder stability. What happens? Shoulders creep up toward the ears during exercises like rows or footwork transitions. How to fix it is keep the shoulders wide and anchored down the back. So think collarbone broad and shoulder blades are flat. Number 3, misaligned pelvis or lost neutral pelvis altogether. The pelvis tilts too much anteriorly or posteriorly, losing spinal alignment. So how to fix that is maintaining a neutral pelvis when possible, cueing hip bones and pubic bones are on one plane or squared. Number 4, locking in the knees or hyperextending. And I see this a lot during footwork. Clients straighten the legs too aggressively and then they stress the joints. So how to fix this is to keep a micro bend and focus on controlled extension from the thighs and glutes. Number 5, rushing through the movements. And I have to tell you, I have been guilty of all 7 of these common errors, but especially this one when I get tired. People move too fast, letting momentum take over instead of muscle control. And one of the principles in Pilates is muscle control, so that's really important. So how to fix it is to slow it down and use the springs. Don't let them use you. Number 6, incorrect head or neck alignment. And I'm gonna go into this a little bit more in detail doing another video, so stay tuned for that. The chin lifts too high or tucks too much, especially during ab work. So how to fix it is keep the gaze slightly forward and up, or I also like to say between your gaze between your thighs or even towards your belly button. Imagining holding an orange between your chin and your chest so you're not kind of bringing everything in tight together, but still lifting and lengthening and keeping that long neck. Number 7, not controlling the carriage on the return or even on the out. So how to fix it is emphasize control both directions. So resisting out and resisting the carriage back in. So let me know in the comments below if you tend to do any of these 7 common errors, or then you can also let me know what other ones you would have loved to see too, and maybe I can do a part 2 to this video. So thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.